How you doing? Just checking in. Another video. It's day 2. It's Thursday. Thursday tea time. Just after 5 p.m. Yeah, 2 days since I had my scleral buckle elastic band around my eyeball to correct a detached retina. Just thought I'd check in with you and touch base and just let you know how things are today. Well, yesterday, if you've seen my previous video, you'll know that I was going for my post-op appointment, check-up kind of thing at the hospital when I had my surgery. I did that yesterday morning, and they had a good look, and they took scans, and they got me doing stuff, which I'll go into shortly. But yeah, they took the scans and the photos, and the specialist and the actual surgeon as well, who is absolutely amazing. Had a look at the scans, and the very words they used were they're very happy with how it looks, and it looks brilliant. When they took the dressing off and the transparent eye protector thingy off, I could see very, very blurred and double vision as well when I opened both eyes. It was the one bad eye, it's very, very blurred, but they had me, the letterboards that you get at opticians. I was rattling them off, and they actually said to me, I've got further than what most people do. And the nurse rolling fingers up, 3, 2, 1, 5, all that kind of stuff. How many fingers? I was no problem seeing all that. I think the only thing is the double vision, the blurredness when I open both eyes, to be expected. It's everybody expects that after an eye operation. The muscles are swollen, the lids are swollen, the retina is still bedding in. It's early days, but you know what? I was really surprised when they took it all off, and I could see what I could see. I wasn't expecting how well, that I could actually see stuff. So my eyes have got to sync up, and that'll come with healing. This healing. Today, how does my eye feel? Pain-wise, non-existent, really. A little bit of pain, around my lids, and probably my muscles. I can feel that they've been tampered with. The grittiness isn't half as bad this afternoon. It was this morning when I woke up, but I bathed it. Had some breakfast and put the drops in. There's two kinds of drops, and there's also some ointment that I have to put in. One of the drops that I have to put in, I call it the back, because that is what it makes me say when I put it in, because it stings like mad. So that's the only bit of pain I'm getting at the minute. Otherwise, it feels. Let's put it this way: I didn't think it'd feel like this on day 2 of a major operation on my eyeball. So I'm going to take that as a really massive positive. I'm really happy with it. Believe me, it looks a lot worse than it actually feels right now. So if anybody can take any comfort from these words, this is my experience with it on day 2. I might show you in a bit, see what it looks like, but things seem pretty good at the minute. Will they get worse? Will they get better? I don't know. But, when we're in situations like this, we've always got to take positives, keep positive, and, try and keep his mind active as well, especially, when we're in a situation like this where we've gone through surgery, whatever it might be, and you've got to rest, you've got to keep active. Otherwise, you know, your mind can kind of, if you let your mind spiral, your mind can not be a friend, if you get my meaning. I mean, today I got up, you know, put the drops in, had my breakfast and everything, and I got in my studio and started laying some beats down and, you know, making a bit of music. And do you know what? For most of that time that I was doing it, I totally forgot that I got one eye covered up. I was concentrating on the screen, and that. And I was surprised I could sit there on day 2 after an operation and actually do that. You know, screen and positioning everything in the music producer program and whatnot, and it's quite a decent tune as well. But yeah, you know, so I'm trying to structure my days and like get a routine going, have things in place to get me through this healing period. I think we need to do that, you know. So if you're worried about that as well, you know, and you're going to go through something like this, have some stuff in place. Right. Would you like to see how it's getting on? Okay, well, there we go. I'll try and get a close-up for you. And there you go. That is how it looks on... I don't want to put my fingers in it. But that's how it's looking on day 2 after an emergency, very complex eye surgery. To be honest, I've not had a really good proper look at it myself, so just excuse me while I just have a little gander at it as well. Well, yeah. Don't look too bad at all, does it really? But yeah, I mean, the lady that carried out my operation, the surgeon, was a Mexican lady called Blanca Flores Sanchez, I believe. Really nice lady, and like I said, very, very skilled, and I'm very, very grateful that that there's people like her on this planet that can do these kind of things for people and help people with the vision, and you know, whatever other surgeon as well for other operations. They're a special kind of people, and this world needs them, and I'm very appreciative and very grateful for the consideration and the work done that they've done for me. So it's onwards to day 3 of healing, and I'll keep you posted. I'm nearly time for some more drops, so I'll be screaming the B word again when I put the second drop in. But yeah, I'm okay. I'm in high spirits, and like I say, just got to take every day as it comes now, and don't rush. Rest, like I've been told to. You know, all the instructions I got from the doctors and everybody, make sure I do them by the book. And just really hope for the best. Stay positive. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you at the next update.